Hello, friends. Life Inspirational. How to meditate for beginners. We must be clear that to start meditate with these four important steps to be followed. What are the four important steps? The first step is we all need a good environment. I repeat, we all need a good environment. It should be followed by focusing on our breath. So breathing helps every individual to make themselves calm. The third one should be we must be aware of our circumstance. We must be aware. Final, just finish off. So these are the four main tips for the beginners, how to meditate for beginners. Four important steps to be followed. Thank you, friends. Hope you like this video. Subscribe for more life inspirational.